our problem is, so we have a given of A equals to 17 meters, B equals to 15 meters, and C equals to 8 meters. So our problem is we have to find the area of the triangle. So first is S equals to A plus B plus C over 2. So equals to 17 plus 15 plus 8 over 2. So we get an S equals to 20. So our formula to get the triangle is square root of S close parenthesis S minus A, then another close parenthesis A minus B, and another one A minus C. So equals to square root of 20 multiplied by 20 minus 17, then close parenthesis 17 minus 15, then another one which is 17 minus 18. So we get a area equals to 60 meter squared. So our next problem is Mary's present age equals to 24 years and let Anne's present age equals to X. So our required is the Anne age. So to get her age is we have a solution of 24 minus X. To elaborate that, so we have an X minus 24 minus X equals to 2X minus 24. If we find the X, we can shift solve it in the scientific calculator. So we get an X equals to 18 years. So 18 years is the an age. So here is our problem. So we have a length of 4 feet and a width of 4 feet and a height of 6 feet. So our requirement is the capacity of gallons. So first is we need to compute the volume, which is length times width times height. So equals to 4 times 4 times 6. So we get a volume of 96 feet cube. So we can convert it into inch, which is 165,888 inch cube. So to convert it to gallons, which is 165,888 over 231. So we have a gallon of 718 gallons. So our next problem is, so we have a age equals to 136 feet and a shadow equals to 157 feet. So our requirement is to find its angle, which is, so we compute it. So we get an tan angle equals to 136 over 157. So we get a 0.86624. So to get the angle is arc tan of 0.86624. So we get an angle of 40.9 degrees.